how you doing? Are you ready for the book today? I have for you I Want My Hut Back by John Clausen. So let's read it together. Let's go. I Want My Hut Back by John Clausen. A bear has lost his hat. What if he never sees it again? Wait! He has seen his hat.
My hat is gone. I want it back. Have you seen my hat?
Nope. I haven't seen your hat.
Okay, thank you. Have you seen my hat?
No. I have not seen any hats around here.
Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat?
Nope. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would not steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions.
Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat?
I haven't seen anything all day. I have been trying to climb this rock.
Would you like me to lift you up on top of it?
Yes, please.
Have you seen my hat?
I saw a hat once. It was blue and round.
My hat doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat?
What is a hat?
Thank you anyway. Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never seen again?
What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much. Hey, what's the matter?
I have lost my hat and nobody has seen it.
What does your hat look like?
It is red and pointy and I have seen my hat. You stole my hat.
Uh-oh.
I love my hat.
Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat?
No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would not eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions.
Okay, thank you anyway. The end. We just finished our story about I want my hat back. So we are going to think about what was that part that you liked the most? What was your favorite part? Let's think about it and get ready for the next activity. See you in a few. Bye.